Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the items you'll load into the Trapper Keeper. Papers, dividers, a pencil pouch. Open it fully and lay it flat so rings are accessible. Once done, pick one or two subject sections to tackle first. This prevents overwhelm and creates quick visible progress. You'll remove loose sheets and group like items together, because grouping reduces shifting and makes insertion faster. Make sure to keep staples and paper clips in a pouch to avoid jams. You now thread groups into the rings, aligning holes precisely to prevent tearing. If pages are thin, add reinforcements so they last longer. This protects your work and keeps edges clean. Once inserted, arrange divider tabs by priority. Most use sections nearest the front, so retrieval is fast between classes. After that, tuck pens and small tools into the pouch. This balances the binder and prevents slippage. Make sure to close the rings firmly so pages don't slide. You finish by closing the Trapper Keeper and testing that it zips or snaps without pinching pages. Once done, commit to a 5-minute weekly tidy. Remove unneeded handouts and refile papers to keep it slim and functional. If you encounter a jammed or misaligned ring, stop and gently realign it with small pliers, testing with a scrap page before returning important documents. This prevents further damage. Make sure to store it upright in your bag to avoid bending.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.